Good day guys, Chef Ben again, and welcome to our channel. How are you doing? Well, I just do hope that we're all doing fine. By the way, for first timers here in our channel, after watching the video, please subscribe. Last video, I showed you how to use combined tomato concasse and velouté in pasta cookery. And today, I will show you how to use an egg in thickening a sauce used in preparing pasta. It's just like the carbonara sauce. Yes, carbonara sauce. The real carbonara sauce is thickened by an egg. Got it, guys? So, if you're ready, let's go. Now we will make a pasta dish wherein the sauce will be thickened by an egg yolk. So, here are our ingredients. Of course, we have here our pasta. This is a fusilli. And then our vegetable is here, our ratter mushroom and our green peas. And then for sauteing, we will saute it with olive oil. We will saute the chopped onions. Okay. And then our sauce will be made of 1 cup chicken stock and 1 cup milk. So I combined stock and milk. So you could also do that. You could also do that. And then it will be thickened by an egg yolk. But you have to add, for every 1 large egg yolk, you have to add 1 tablespoon of cream. This one. So this is 2 large egg yolk and 2 tablespoons of cream. And then to enhance the flavor, we'll be adding pesto. And later on, we will sprinkle cheese, grated cheese, and also chopped parsley. Got it, guys? Let us start. You just have to preheat your wok or pan and then add the olive oil. And then we'll start sauteing first the onions. You have to saute the onions until it is translucent. Okay. You may add wine if you want, and you may not if you don't want wine. Unfortunately, my wife told me she doesn't like the taste of the wine, so I will not be adding wine here. Okay, so when it is already translucent, we will add the ham. Now we will add the ham. It's already translucent. So I just add ham, but feel free to add any meat. You can add beef, you can add pork, you can add chicken, or some other processed food. You can even add bacon, and then seafood. So feel free. This is the way to prepare a pasta the basic way. The procedure is just the same. The ingredients are just replaced. Okay? So don't be hooked in recipes. Okay, we'll continue to stir fry this and then we will add the ratter mushroom. Okay. So there you go. And then we'll just have to continue sauteing this. Okay. And then we will add our liquid, the chicken stock and the milk. Okay, so the chicken stock is there, 1 cup, and 1 cup of milk. Okay, so then we'll just wait for this to boil. Okay, then when it starts to boil, we will add the cheese. Okay, now it's boiling, so we will add the cheese. Okay, we'll stir it. And then next we will add the pasta. Okay, then we have to boil this. When it's boiling, we will add the liaison, the mixture of egg yolk and cream. So the egg yolk and cream is here. You'll just have to stir it to mix it thoroughly, and then we will stir it into the mixture later so that it will get thick. So this is how to use egg yolk in thickening your sauce for pasta dishes. Okay, so now we'll add our green peas, and of course some of our chopped parsley to add color to the sauce. We'll just stir it. And then the egg yolk, but you have to turn the heat down. So stir the egg, add the egg, and stir until it thickens. Okay, and then our pesto. We'll put about 2 tablespoons of pesto. And then stir. Okay. So you've seen it, guys. This is the way to use egg yolk in thickening pasta dishes. The real pasta carbonara is thickened by egg yolk, not by flour. That you should remember. Okay? So it's done. We'll just have to put this in our serving plate, and then garnish with cheese and some chopped parsley on top. Got it, guys? Okay, so here is our pasta. We will just sprinkle some cheese on top. Okay. Anyway, it already has cheese. And then, of course, our chopped parsley. So there you are, guys. Our pasta fusilli with ham. And green peas and rotted mushroom, thickened by egg yolk. So, for a closer look, so there you are. Got it, guys? Well, I believe I have shown you how to use egg as thickeners in pasta cookery. Just remember, for every cup of liquid, use 1 large egg yolk and 1 tablespoon cream. You have to stir it and then stir it into the boiling liquid to thicken it. By the way, the ham can be changed to beef or pork or poultry or seafood. Even the vegetables can be changed to any vegetables that you want. Just remember, follow the procedure and you can make your own signature pasta dish. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video for another pasta recipe using brown sauce and tomato concasse sauce. By the way, for comments and suggestions, just jot it down below so that I can review and do something with it. So, this is Chef Ben Casabon signing off. God bless us all.